Hey guys, part 3. Sorry for that last one. But now we're going to be in the bed and breakfast section of the Tractor Museum. I love that fan. But yeah, let's go upstairs. Right now we are in the actual silo. This is a panoramic view. We're actually in the silo beside the barn. So let's go upstairs and see how they did the bed and breakfast. There's the farm. I think we came in. I think we came in right here. It's right there, and I think we're in the silo right there. Huh?
I love these stairs.
Dude, I would pay to have somebody install these in my house.
And then a slide on the outside.
Right?
This is one of the rooms, dude.
Oh, it is? I didn't even realize that was a room. Thought it was just closet space. Oh, wow. Well, the bathtub's right there. Dark TV, so there's a small TV. I like it. I like it. Don't, Colin.
Dang, let me hack into it.
You tried using your remote on it? Oh, it's probably not in here. It's probably nowhere in here. Let's go to another room. Room 2.
Almost exactly like your room.
No.
Your tub.
Ooh, pretty.
Hi.
By the way, guys, that's Colin Gerizer. I'm just.
Why you use my real name?
I don't know your YouTube name.
Shadow.
Shadow what?
137. I don't know. I have no video, so it doesn't matter.
I would hate to be the people on the top steps. And right now we're at the top room. Pretty much at the top of the silo.
Are these doors closed?
Yeah.
Room?
Yes. Oh wow. Goes up even higher. It's just a nice little library room.
Toys. A lot of books.
Yeah, just a little library room, no beds. Got some vintage dolls though, Raggedy Ann.
Oh, there's a bathroom.
What's up there? Just sitting area.
Yeah, with a lot of books.
Yeah.
And they got a game called Sequence.
Take a look outside at the very top of the silo.
It's not that tall.
This is the top of the silo.
Are you videotaping?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
You've been videotaping ever?
Yep. Happy days. Oh, happy
Nice
days.
deal. Yeah, you got your own little desk too.
Dominant or something like that. Let's go back down to Dairy Queen. He does have a Dairy Queen here, so gonna get some free ice cream.
We made it 4 floors, 2 bedrooms, living room, and kitchen. Wow.
Sorry guys, I'm itching my finger.
Can't trust you with anything.
Hush up.
Carbon monoxide measure on the floor.
It said 0. Oh, I just not noticed that these are diamond plate. Sweet. Diamond plate's expensive. Diamond plate's expensive, so I wonder how much they made to do this. Room. There's 2 rooms and a library at the top.
Room, library. You know how much of how awesome this house is. Like,
I want to play Skyrim.
Let's sit.
And we're out of the silo, going into the barn.
Time for ice cream.
Ooh, ice cream, ice cream. Everybody loves ice cream.
What did you get, Shane?
I was a good boy.
You didn't break anything. Except maybe two.
So, yeah, guys. I'm going to go back to that John Deere 110 to give a little bit more close-up for Smokey or Spy. The reason being because you all know that he has a John Deere 110. So it's like, no, it's not the same. It's like 2 times smaller. But on the front here, that is for a PTO to run to an elevator. Let me move this little thing. Put that on the seat. Pop open the fiberglass hood. It is a Kohler. Serial number is B033364. Spec number is 30198D. I do not know what horse this is, but I'm thinking it's probably an 8 horse. By the looks of it, it is very variator drive. It does have 4 gears. Reverse, neutral, second, first, third, fourth of the neutral. This looks like the creeper and or the brake. This might be parking brake. Close the hood. Latch it. Put that back on there. Let's take a look underneath it. 5 lug. It does have the same transmission as Smokey's, but smaller. And it is very drive. So there's that. Up underneath the motor and everything. Just giving you guys a span or whatever. I think that is a 7-inch or 7.5-inch pulley in the rear. Sorry guys, I'm twisting you around here. But it is stock. Fully what do you call it? Yeah. So, John Deere 110 for a Smokey or Spy. You need to look into this because it's way smaller than yours. Even the stance is smaller. It's wow. That's what a real John Deere 110 looks like. Smokier. Just take a quick walk through. But I really like this Peterbilt over here. The cab over Peterbilt. Let's open this door right here from Booker's Grange. Still smells nice and old. Let's go over to the driver's side. It's probably not closed, but oh well. Probably ain't gonna be driving it soon. There it goes. Now we are on the driver's side. Don't know how many speeds it is. I'm guessing long gears, but or short gears. Don't really know. There's the inside of the Peterbilt. scooch along here. Oh, my battery's almost dead, but not so stacks. Hold on, guys. There it goes. Nice little stacks. We need to sing the song Convoy or Eastbound and Down, so Eastbound and Down. Smokey, I know you're gonna like this farmall. I bet you have one of these uh the toy model cast iron one. Well, yeah, so that is the tractor museum in Polo, Illinois, and also the bed and breakfast. I'm gonna go get my free ice cream, so later.